Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Hi, so in today's video, I'm doing a little vloggy vlog for you guys just because I'm doing a little something today. I went to work earlier, but I decided to do like a behind the scenes type of thing because I'm about to film a lookbook today, but I also have like dance class today. But I already told my cousin, who is the teacher of the dance class, that I won't be dancing today because I just did my face and I don't want to sweat it off. Also, I don't got the money to do it right now. so I decided instead I'm gonna go to the dance class because I'm picking up my best friend on the way and she doesn't know, but she's gonna be helping me film this lookbook today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my setup, what I got going on, you know, how to do these types of things at home. This is my first time setting up a little living room like this. I like the way it's looking right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to add some more stuff to my backdrop, but we'll see. This is my living room. And these are the lights that I'm using. They're both from Amazon. I don't know if I have the links for them because my dad got them for me for Christmas, like 2016 I think. This is my little tripod. Obviously I'm going to be using the camera that I'm using now, which is, it's sort of a vlog camera, so it's not really that good, but y'all already know that I broke my Canon, so I have to get that fixed. Anyway, I'm going to be using this ring light, which is also from Amazon. The stands and stuff are from Amazon also. So this is my backdrop that I'm going to be using. I got this mirror, which is from Burlington. I got it like 2 years ago or something like that. Basically when I moved into this, well, me and my family moved into this apartment, so it's pretty old. Then I got this bench. It's just a regular stool. And then I got like one of my jackets thrown over it just to make it look a little fancy. And then I got this little mannequin here. And the doll itself is from, I'm gonna put the place name on the screen because I can't think of it right now. I'm having a brain fart. And the dress is my prom dress from my senior year. I forgot the name of the place. Rebecca Stella, that's where the dress is from. So yeah, I might be selling it. I mean, it's really, you know, not that cute of a dress, but we'll see if anyone wants it. If anyone wants it, let me know. I believe it's like a size 6 or something. I don't know, 6, 8. So yeah, that's my whole little setup right now. I can go ahead and show y'all the outfit I'm wearing right now. I don't think it's gonna be a part of the lookbook, but the bodysuit right here is from Windsor, of course. The bra is from Windsor also. But the bra is like a year old, so I don't think it's on the website. The jeans are from Fashion Nova, of course. These sunglasses are from Pretty Little Thing. Let me put them on for y'all because y'all, let me tell y'all something. They are so freaking cute. Wait, gotta take off my glasses. Hey, y'all see what's going on here? This hair with these glasses, it is a whole look. Look at it. Be right back. I gotta go put on my watch. So this is my watch. My watch is from Windsor also. This is like my new baby. I know I used to wear like that old rainbow watch from when I used to work at Rainbow, but now that I have one that fits my wrist that's like metal, I'm loving this. I will link this down below because this watch is my jam. Okay, it's adjustable, so thank God for that because I got little chicken wrists. So these are my rings that I always wear. This one is from like a little, it's just like a little jewelry store in my mall. It's called Glitter. I don't know if it's like nationwide, they on your side, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. And then this one is also from Glitter, and this one is from Route 21. It used to have like a little chain detail or whatever. These are the rings I wear pretty much every day because, you know what I'm saying, your girl's broke and I'm just out here trying to be cute. And then these necklaces, this necklace is from Windsor. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. I just got this one. I got this one like a week or 2 weeks ago, and I just wear them all the time now. I never take this one off. So I kind of want to get a real one made. And then my hoops are just hoops, but they're from Windsor if you wanted to know. I recommend Windsor's hoops, by the way. Yeah, I'll be promoting Windsor. Give me a gift card or something, because you know what I'm saying, I be out here repping, okay? If you want to know where this hair is from, I will link the videos for this hair as well. I think I'm gonna go pick up my daddy's camera for the lookbook for like the long shot, like this shot right here, so it doesn't look like this. I want it to look a little bit better than this. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna use this camera for the vlog and for like close-up shots. But can we talk about these glasses and it's her? Hey girl.
Hello, Carol. Hey. Hey.
Oh girl, get in the car. Girl, we gotta go. Let's try and get your butt in the car. So we had the little dance class. You know, the best friend is here. Y'all see when we picked her up. So, oh, okay. So we're at the dance class. Well, what dance class we early. So I'm gonna be recording today. I'm not gonna be dancing today because, like I told you, I already got my makeup done, so I'm not trying to mess it up. But you know, I'm gonna still be here to support. Let y'all know what's up.
I don't want to dance without her because I feel weird.
We also didn't stop to get cash, so.
Yeah.
Come on, show me some moves. Show me what you got. Okay. Okay.
That's how you throw it back.
Is that your moves? Yeah. It just be so weird. It's like I just look at you like a little sister. I can't watch you do that. Like I don't like it.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna do it though. I mean,
if you're subscribed to me, y'all know this is my best friend. And freaking whenever she talks like about anything like sexual, I'm just like, I don't like her. Like she's literally like a little sister to me, and I just don't like it. I can talk to like anybody else about like stuff like that, but whenever she starts talking, I'm just like, ew. I'm just like, ew. It's like listening to like my little sister talk about sex. I'm sure some girls, with their sisters, they don't mind, but
you only 2 weeks older than me.
I don't care. You feel like my little sister. Is that a bad thing?
No, I mean a little bit. I want to be the big sister.
First of all, you're actually younger than me. So how does that work? Plus you also act more immature than me.
I want to be the big sister.
I think I'm very mature, which can make me pretty boring.
What?
But
hold on. First off, my little driver said she thought I was 25 because I was mature for my age.
Lashura. Yeah, okay.
So
no, Lashura, I think you're mature. I'm saying I think that you can be more immature than I can.
Oh, okay.
That's the thing that happens between us a lot too. I say something, she like, and I'll be like, no. And I'll explain what I meant.
She always got to do that because
she's sensitive.
No, I'm
yes,
I am.
Yes, you are.
I'm a big crybaby, but I don't care. First off, if you say something negative or anything, I will like really like cry and stuff because I'm a positive person, like she said.
You're sensitive. She can be very empathetic. So, I'm assuming you don't know what that means because you over here acting like I just insulted you. It's not an insult. Empathetic, not pathetic.
Okay. Empathetic, okay.
She vibes off of other people's emotions.
So if you gotta go up higher and do the splits on the.
Can you do a split on a dick? Shit, how the hell you think you got here?
This keep on working on and you get better at it.
5, 6. Don't start so far back in the trailer, so you don't gotta be walking. 5, 6, 7, 8. But remember that time I showed up. Bop, 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 bop. High heel members, boom, boom, ha, boom, boom. And you can hold on to that, boom, look, onto that back if you want. And then if you told me this is not quote, yes, not quote, we pop pills near you know.
You wanna need me, trust and believe me, but that was all offer. You pushed me hard. You brought me to this. You had my heart. You blew it. Trust in me.
Girl, what?
And I'm so over you. Go get lost. Like I'm who you think you are. Now you have my heart.
I mean, are you feeling yourself?
I'm trying to show you what causes you to do this. I'm trying to get my phone to this. Damn.
I can see you in the mirror. You might want to sit somewhere else.
I will scoot back.
Nah, I can see you in the mirror. Like you fully have to get it out of the shot. Like I can see.
I can't see myself in the mirror.
I can. Come look at what I'm looking at. It's like you just don't be hearing what I'm saying. Like you don't be wanting to listen to what I'm saying. Like him. Like we I can see you in the mirror. Like. When it's been sitting there in this bright yellow shirt. Your shirt is all in my face.
Oh yeah, I was about to say that. You should do a hair flip like that. You walk in.
Yeah, I try to say it. It's like.
Yeah.
Tell me if I need to poke my hip a little bit more or something.
Poke it a little bit more.
I'm expecting, you know,
Little booties matter too.
Little booties matter too, you know what I'm saying? Fucking hair won't keep the front. My space pose. Yeah.
Girl. Oh my god.
That's hot.
Hold on, ours would be like this. Hold on. They be like this. Like this.
This right here. Put your feet like freaking pigeon toes.
I swear. They be like this.
Oh yeah, the little back right there.
Yes.
And here she go.
Oh. Bye, y'all.
It's like somebody's going, bye y'all. I need some silence in the court real quick, you know what I'm saying? So
Okay.
So you guys, I'm coming to the conclusion that this is a fail. Just because there was a lot of stuff going wrong. My couch done made a skid mark in the wall, so there's like a line on the wall. I had my hallway showing, it's all dark. The light, it's just, everything is just not right. You know what I'm saying? And I'm too much of a perfectionist to just put it out anyway. So, I mean, I'm gonna look at the footage, and if it turns out to look good, then, you know what I'm saying, we got a video. But if not, this is the video instead. It's gonna be my little vlog today, behind the scenes, and a lookbook fail. And I'll just make a haul of all the stuff that I got. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was entertaining. I'm gonna try to make it as entertaining as possible. You know, my best friend's background commentary then earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And next time I do a lookbook, I'm gonna have to really like have a whole day off, like spend my time and not do it in my living room, because I just don't think that this small apartment accommodates a lookbook. Yeah, make sure y'all follow me on my social media if you haven't already. All of it will be down in the description. And subscribe. Press that bell button. Y'all know y'all want to see when my next video comes up, so you know what I'm saying, just press it. I don't know why you haven't. Press it.